Thursday, February 1st. We got a stack of work to push through. Yesterday, Bill got the fade sprayed on the big Tycos. Got the gray to black burst. He's considering maybe sanding that out a bit to make the gray wider. Throwing new heads on the what we're calling the Pro Series concert toms, because got our buddy Sam here taking some high quality pictures today. So I'm getting heads on those. Edge needs to be cut on the Grover. These 5 need to be sanded back to be thrown through the booth again for spray. Possibly get to some clutter. We'll see what happens. I spared you the sanding montage. Let's see how the photo shoot's going.
Sections and some that are artsy, you know?
Yep. Artsy is my middle name.
Yeah, I feel like let's make sure that like the whole thing is documented, and then let's get some that are just kind of pretty artsy, whatever. And then there's just a bunch of stuff that we can use and Steve Weiss can use, and that's what I'm thinking.
Nope, single point. Single end, you don't want those upside down. Fun fact, or maybe not so fun. I'm pretty much cross dominant, but I still have less strength in my left paw. So I snug these up with my right, and I use my built-in torque wrench on my weaker hand, aka the Mistress. I find this is enough to squash the split washer, but not start damaging the finish on the outside of the shell. You're still gonna get a little bit of witness mark indentation, but you're not like centering her home. Just gotta cut the badge and the heads are on order. Now we got a web order. We gotta pick a roll of 15 gauge natural and a snare anchor. Local post office is closed, so hopefully that goes out tomorrow. I'm having fun filming Sam taking pictures.
As one does.
It brings an end to another day. We didn't get to these. Hopefully tomorrow. We did get some metal stock from McMaster Carr to make another run of strainers. Gonna do a couple of bronze, one for the leady drum, and figured, you know, doing one is bad, batching out good. So gonna do some brass, some aluminum. Got all the pictures. I'm shooting to be here tomorrow after my yearly inspection sticker for the truck. We'll see what happens.